Outside Choteau is not exactly where you'd expect groundbreaking technology to be developed. However, it was over one firewood sale that an urban software engineer found his way into the agriculture industry. Choteau, Montana might not be your first thought for high-tech strides in precision agriculture.
It's like AI for farming as far as soil sampling.
But Choteau native and owner of FarmTech, Doug Wiest, might change your mind.
This is a cool way to apply, science to farming.
FarmTech aims to optimize a farmer's operation via soil imagery and crop health. However, it does more than give you the data.
Taking all that information and not just making a pretty map, but actually making decisions for the farmer, which is our Farm IQ platform.
FarmTech's growth meant Wiest needed to add a programmer to his team, a tall order in north central Montana.
Finding someone that you can call and text and have dinner with that can write software is pretty unique, I think, in today's world.
Chicago native and new Choteau resident David Cymbalista fit the bill.
The reason I found David is he sold a batch of firewood to me and had just mentioned, hey, if you ever need programming, and kind of blew him off. And 3 months later, I was calling him.
David moved to Montana with loads of programming know-how, but little to no agriculture knowledge.
I probably didn't know the difference between a tractor and a combine.
His love of puzzle solving pushed him to take on this challenge.
I love just figuring things out and being able to do things I've never done before.
Just a year into the partnership, their work is yielding results.
Now we have an online platform we're building for the farmers in the area, and it's really just come so long of a way in the last year or so we've been together.
Doug and David hope FarmTech will be serving over 1 million acres in the next few years.
To more or less touch that many people's lives and to touch the food they eat, all the farmers, right, who depend on it for their livelihood, like it's going to save them a lot of money, produce more yield for them.
A perfect partnership that almost never happened.
It's kind of 50-50. I do take a lot of responsibility for making it accessible, but Doug is kind of the one that has that farmer experience. He knows the touch that it needs to have to make sure it's a success.
Your crop could totally be different in a month.
And for FarmTech, the sky's the limit.
There's really cool stuff out there you can build, and I'm just happy to be a part of it.
These farmers need every advantage they can get, and technology is one that can definitely help them for sure.
In Choteau, I'm Tommy Lynch, MTN News.